Cruise News Today with Doug Parker.
Good morning. Here's your cruise news for Wednesday, May 14th. Severe weather has caused major flooding aboard the Carnival Conquest, currently sailing in the Bahamas. Passengers report water nearly entering cabins, with balconies submerged and crew working nonstop to contain the flooding. The storm began Monday evening and is expected to continue through today. The Bahamas has been hit hard this week by that same weather front that moved through Florida earlier in the week. One guest sailing on Conquest told us that this is some of the worst flooding they've ever seen on a cruise ship. And Royal Caribbean Symphony of the Seas was diverted to Port Everglades on Tuesday to evacuate an injured guest. Yeah, the ship had left Coco Cay earlier that day because lightning shut the island down. Around noon, an Alpha medical alert was issued for an injury in the ship's Central Park area. A later call requested type O blood donors, in which 30 passengers volunteered. The injured guest was transferred to a Broward County rescue boat around 4 p.m. on Tuesday. Royal Caribbean refunded all excursions from Coco Cay. And the cruise industry is now clarifying details on Mexico's new in-transit cruise passenger fee set to begin this summer. Now, unlike prior claims, this is an in-transit fee, not a non-resident duty tax, and the final rate kicks in a year later than initially reported. The fee will start at $5 per guest on July 1st, rising in stages to $21 by 2028. The change impacts all ships visiting Mexico. And cruise stocks were up on Tuesday. Carnival Corporation up 3%, 22.74. Royal Caribbean up 2.3%, 247.84. Norwegian up 1%, 19.33. And Viking up 1.4%, 46.18. If you have a lead on a story, let us know. Tips@cruiseradio.net. Have yourself a great Wednesday. I'm Doug Parker with Cruise News Today.